Roads connect people, but they also divide nature. Across the Northeast and throughout the Appalachians, highways and local roads split wildlife habitats apart, making it harder for animals to move, find food and shelter, raise their young, and survive. And these barriers don't just affect wildlife. Roads without proper crossings lead to more collisions, putting people in harm's way. As our climate warms, wildlife is moving and shifting north to adapt, but roads can block their journeys, threatening biodiversity and the health of entire ecosystems. At the same time, outdated infrastructure struggles to handle heavier rainfall, causing severe flooding in communities as extreme weather becomes more frequent. That's why the Nature Conservancy launched Northeast Habitats and Highways, a collaborative effort with transportation and wildlife agencies across 8 states in the Northern Appalachians. Our goal is simple and ambitious: make roads safer for people and wildlife, and keep lands and waters connected. We can do this by integrating nature into infrastructure projects, designing culverts, bridges, and wildlife crossings that let animals and fish move freely. Northeast Habitats and Highways is a new video training series that demonstrates how transportation planning can work hand in hand with ecology at every stage of decision-making. By sharing practical tools, real-world examples, and success stories from transportation experts across the region, we're helping local partners prioritize connectivity and build with nature in mind. The Nature Conservancy is proud to help lead this work. It's part of our vision to protect the Appalachians, which is one of the most climate resilient and biologically diverse regions on Earth. From Alabama to Canada, the Appalachians span 2,000 miles. The region is a superhighway for nature, allowing plants and animals to adapt to our changing climate. Nature Conservancy scientists have mapped the projected movements of mammals, birds, and amphibians as they shift their ranges due to warmer temperatures. This data highlights the importance of the Appalachians as a migration corridor. Northeast Habitats and Highways builds on Vermont's nationally recognized program, which transformed how agencies approach connectivity in the state. Through on-the-ground collaboration and practical training tools, we're laying the groundwork for lasting change across this vast and incredible landscape. Designing our roads and highways for wildlife connectivity isn't just good for nature, it's good for all of us. Together, we can build infrastructure that benefits people and wildlife.